What's up, guys? Got another video for y'all today. I'm heading out to a no heat call. This is a new client, so have no idea what we're getting into, but we're about to head out and take a look and bring y'all along. Y'all stay tuned, guys. All right, let's step underneath. All right, y'all, we have a RUUD 80% furnace.
The one on it ain't.
All right, looks like our inducer is locked up. Let's see if I can free it up. Definitely grinding somehow. All right, y'all, so I was able to get it freed up. Doesn't sound the best though. Alright, guys, got my finger on the switch. I'm testing it now. It did fire up and light. The burners struggled to light all the way across and they went out. So let's see if we get a code here, see what we're going to be dealing with. Alright, guys, what I've done, I've pulled the flame sensor, give it a good cleaning. Get a dollar bill and just clean it up just a little bit. Kind of back myself up. That's what I like to try to do, guys. Okay, we can put her back in. This thing does not sound great, guys. Doesn't sound good at all when fired up. This whole furnace is not in the best condition, so we'll see if I can get it to stay lit, and if it don't this time, I might have to check this gas valve. So multiple problems here, poor condition, so y'all stay with me. Alright, guys, I got it running. It's ran for several minutes now, and I think cleaning that flame sensor definitely did help. Plus, I don't think this is the first time they've tried to fire it up this year. So we have the inducer motor stuck, which is my main concern at the moment, other than it just being an old furnace. So we may talk to the client about possibly changing this inducer motor, or see about options for a new furnace, and see what they want to do. But all right, guys, I about wrap this one up. If anything goes further with this call, I would definitely make a part 2. But we'll see y'all on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.